Mastering MLA. Citing lectures and presentations with ease. Hello, language learners and academic enthusiasts. Today, we'll delve into a very specific, but vital part of academic writing, citing lectures and presentations in the Modern Language Association, MLA, format. This can seem daunting, but with the right guidance, you'll master it in no time. Let's begin. First, it's crucial to understand why we even bother citing lectures and presentations. The primary reason is academic integrity. By referencing the sources of your information, you 1. Give credit to the original speakers or authors. 2. Allow your readers to track down your sources, promoting transparency and trust. 3. Demonstrate that you've done your research, boosting the credibility of your work. The general MLA format for citing lectures and presentations goes as follows. Speaker's last name, first name, title of the lecture, name of the conference or event, date of the lecture, venue, city. Type of lecture, notes, keynote speech, presentation. For instance, Smith, John. Understanding the Universe. Astronomy Conference 2023, the 3rd of March 2023, National Science Museum, New York. Keynote speech. 1. Note down details. Whenever you attend a lecture or presentation, make it a habit to note down the necessary details. These include the speaker's name, title of the lecture, date, venue, and type of lecture. 2. Consistency. Ensure that you're consistent in the way you cite your lectures throughout your paper. 3. Ask for material. If the speaker has presentation slides or handouts, ask for access. These materials can offer more citation details and aid in ensuring accuracy. There you have it, a simple guide to citing lectures and presentations in MLA format. With these tools in hand, you're well equipped to maintain high standards of academic integrity in your writing. We hope this video has shed light on the process and made it a tad bit easier. Happy citing, and see you in our next video.